there, I'm Niall. We've all been in situations where we want to play an Abba song, but we don't have a keyboard player. So sometimes you have to make do. A song written and performed by Abba and sampled by Madonna. And it's a double lesson because it's an exercise in sweep picking as well. 2 for the price of 1. And today we're going to tackle Gimme, Gimme, Gimme. The synth part, but on electric guitar.
Very nice.
Now I'm playing this Godin Saladak through a Line 6 Pod 2. I've got the pickup set to position 1, so bridge pickup, humbucker, through a nice high gain setting on the pod. So for the sweeping, you'll need 3 different chord positions. A D minor up here, an A minor here, and an F. So get used to sweeping up and down those. To sweep them, you need to do this. Sort of roll your finger from string to string, because this is 3 strings on the same fret. So that D minor goes. And the right hand is just going down on those 4 first notes and back up on the next 4. On the second time around, that last D is just a short note leading into this lovely run. Jump up to the F. And here's the trick part. Get from the F to the A minor, it does this little pull, 13 to 12 on the treble E. Then a 13 on the B string, and a 14 on the G string, like this. Again, on the F, you're just plucking downwards. You've got to isolate each note, otherwise it's going to sound like this. Which is lovely, but it's not a sweep. So you need to... Next part, A minor. And jump back down to the D minor again. So it's quite a simple picking exercise, but it'll get you going. So here we go slowly. And up to speed. And that was a quick double lesson, 2 for the price of 1, on how to play Gimme, Gimme, Gimme and get going on sweeping. I hope you found this lesson helpful. If you did, don't forget to like it. If there are any tunes you'd like me to do, let me know in the comments below. Also, let me know what you thought of the video. All these comments are a big help to the channel and I'm very grateful for them. So keep them coming. Subscribe to the channel just here. Watch a similar video up here, or my latest video just up here. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Niall. Leave that guitar out where you can see it. Makes practicing easier to do. And keep on learning.